Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make beautiful Christmas wreath using some natural material that is available in my house. I have this beautiful blue spruce trees that I will use some of the branches, and last year I collected some pine cones that I dried them out. So I would be using those as well. So I have these beautiful spruce tree branches. I will take them inside and start making a beautiful Christmas wreath. So first of all, you need a wreath frame to make a wreath. Yesterday, I cut down a few branches from my blue spruce tree in the backyard, and so I'm going to use that one. And then I brought a few juniper branches from Naomi's home, and I really want to use them because I like the I like the small little berries on it, and I want to use this. I don't know if you can see that, these little berries over here. So they look beautiful. I'm going to combine these two branches. This has a very beautiful blue green tinge in it. I like the shade, and junipers are just green. Right now, when I'm making this wreath, the whole house is just full of aroma with this beautiful juniper and blue spruce. So, what else you need for making your wreath? You need a wire, and this is a craft beading wire. I was trying to look for pedal wire that is ideal, but you don't have it. You can use any wire. So this is quite sturdy and strong. I'm going to use this, and so make sure that you wear gloves while working with the spruce because they have a very sharp needles. Take I'm taking one of this branch, and I will cut another branch from juniper. You see, these needles are very sharp. So what I'm going to do, I will cut the sharp needles from the end, so that's easy to work. See, it's easy to handle. And then you combine this with juniper. And I'm going to tie this with this wire. Okay, so this one is ready, and I pre-made all of this. I'm going to now attach all those branches to the reed ring. So what you do, you secure the wire first. Okay, so one is finished. Make sure that you secure the branch from the back as well. Otherwise, it can fall here and there. All right, so I will take the next branch and then with the wire, I will secure again. See, this is what I was talking, that the branch will move if you don't secure it from the other end as well. Oh no, thunder. Go play. Go play, thunder. Oh, Dumby. Dumby. Go play. Okay, so this is all done, but there is a little gap over here. I can either cut the branch or I can put a bow over there. So let me see if how does the bow look like. Well, yeah, I think bow would be very nice. And before I put a bow, I will put some pine cones over here that I collected last year. And I already put, you can also secure it with the hot glue gun. So this is all done. the process all finished, except that I'm going to put the bow. So the Christmas wreath is all done. What do you think? I think it's beautiful. Let me know in the comment below. How do you like it? And I will see you with one more video. In my next video, I will be doing more Christmas decorations. I hope you will join me. Bye.